Morning YouTube, so I just got a bit of masking to finish off on this Audi Q3. Had it all prepped up last night. Did the edge masking this morning while the camera was charging. And yeah, quick slice it out and ready to put some colour onto it. So there's a few stone chips all through the bonnet, and I'll be just putting colour over the entire thing. We're putting some 222S down first, helps with the blends and seals any rub throughs down as well. Probably a colour, doesn't really need it, but it does have a bit of pearl and metallic in there too, pearl and silver. Yeah, it's early Wednesday morning today. I'm not really in the mood for talking a whole lot, so you can just sit back and watch. Or not, it's up to you, don't really care. I'm pretty sure this car just came in for a bit of, it had been keyed basically. Had scratches over the bonnet and both fenders, but no damage on the bumper. So obviously we're not painting it. Alright, it's looking pretty good. God damn it, making it worse. With a prep sole and we're right to splash some colour in. I love this booth box up here, it's great. And Moses decides to come along and like a massive spray booth, but he decides to paint his panels right up against my bloody booth box, doesn't he? Get paint all over it. It's all good. I got some booth coating on there so I can just paint it straight off, but still, come on man, like look at the size of this booth. It's one thing you really do appreciate after coming from a smaller booth, like where I used to work, there was just the one booth and it was a lot smaller. As soon as I got to work in this booth again, I'm like, oh man, this is so good. So yeah, advice to people putting new spray booths up, don't scrimp on the size, just go a little bit bigger. End up paying back tenfold, well probably more than that really, just in the simple fact that you can fit multiple jobs in, you can do big jobs in there easier and that. Yeah, you can see all those little white specks on the bonnet, that's where stone chips were, but I've filled them in. Like they're all just freebies, the stone chips are. If the car was here to have the stone chips fixed, I would have filled them in the best I could and then primed the entire bonnet. They're freebies. So if there is a tiny amount of sink back, for starters it's a dark colour, it's going to, the clear will fill them up a little bit. And yeah, you can see the freebies. So I'm not here to do work for free, we're here to make money. Don't like it, well, you can go and start up your own non-for-profit panel shop as a charity. Be my guest. That's not us. This is a profitable business. And I intend on making it as profitable as I physically can. Even though it's not my business. I like working here, I'd like to work here for quite some time. And yeah. The best way I can ensure that is to make sure that I'm the best worker I can be and the best kind of work comes out of this shop. They get good feedback from their customers and they'll bring their cars back again. Perth's a small place. Word does get around quick. When I started my business, our motto was happy customer tells 10 people, happy customer tells 3 people, unhappy customer will tell 10. So you don't want to get the word, you don't want to get known as a bad shop, you know. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to go get my colour in the gun and start painting some shit.